Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Alice.
I'm Jenny.
Welcome to the Alice and Jenny Show! Cheers!
This is the most anti-goth e-girl thing that
We're gonna fix that. For the reveal, we'll get you a different cup.
Hey, I was doing dishes today, y'all.
Wow. I did dishes today.
Yeah,
And I look like this.
Well, you told me not to get dressed.
I'm just
because
Jenny,
you're trying to fix this and turn it into this.
Yeah, that's what we're doing today, you guys. I'm gonna give Jenny a makeover. And it's so hard to say what makeover it is, because when I say goth, people are like, it's not goth. When I say grunge, people are like, that's not grunge.
What?
Literally. I'm gonna go ahead and ask you to button your little lip, button it, close it, take your pinion, fold it up, put it in your little pocket, okay?
Spread your cheeks apart and shove it right up.
Where'd we leave off? Oh yeah, I'm gonna be giving Jenny a gothy girl makeover. The crazy thing though is that I'm not a makeup artist. I can do makeup on myself. Like, I have experience doing makeup on myself, but I don't do makeup on other people. So this is gonna be a fun and exciting challenge. We'll probably do a little bit of like a fast forward and then have a big fun reveal at the end.
And am I allowed to look, or
I think it should be a surprise.
everyone going to see me reborn at the same time?
Yeah, I think it should be a surprise. So this is the before.
It has to be in black and white, and I'm like, if this is you with makeup, what do I do with makeup? Oh, I don't know.
So, quick question. Can I shave off a little bit of your eyebrows?
But you can get rid of a speck of lipstick that's on you.
I hate you so much. Just a tiny bit, like right there. I'm not gonna f you up, I promise.
Paul's gonna be like, why did you let her do this to you?
So is Paul attached to your eyebrows? Does he?
I'm attached to them. Who knows, maybe this is gonna look great.
Look at it. It already kind of gives you like a little bit of a lift. See that? Okay, the cat ears have got to go, honey.
I'm not a cat anymore. Just a normal girl.
We're gonna check back in, you guys, when the makeup is done for the big reveal. Okay? Gotta cover all this up now, though, so Jenny can't see herself.
Bye-bye.
Okay, guys, so it has been a long, tumultuous time. I don't even know how long it's been, but the microphone was pointing the other way. You guys, the makeover is finally complete. Jenny, keep your eyes closed. Scoot forward. Scoot forward. You guys, before she even sees, can you even believe how I'm like, the second I put the wig on though, I'm like, I'm done, I'm shocked, I'm gagged, I'm gooped, I'm gagged.
I haven't seen, and I hope it doesn't.
I'm actually a little like irritated because she looks so good. Okay, so I'm gonna hand you this mirror, and then you're gonna flip it around on 3, okay?
Which mirror?
In your hand.
And which way? Okay, so it's this way, right?
Yeah, so make sure that the camera's on you.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. The camera needs to see your reaction. Don't you look so cute? You look like an adorable little pixie. I don't think
I am Alice, bitch. What the f?
I know, like, we've never looked more alike.
Alice, you did an amazing job. No, I'm seriously gooped. I'm gooped. This is adorable.
Is it not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Like, look at the lashes. Did you look at the lashes? Did you look at the lower lashes? Look at all that I did for you. All of that pain.
Well, you know what?
The pain and the poking and the prodding. Did it all pay off?
There was a lot of pain. There was a lot of poking. There was a lot of pressing with brushes in my eye. But you know what? The bitch killed it. You were super insecure about, like, whether it was gonna look nice afterwards, and to be honest with you, Alice, like, you did a great job. You're like, I'm not a makeup artist, and you did a great job.
I did, y'all. I did, didn't I? And can you even tell that I shaved off part of your eyebrows?
Well, yeah, because you shaved off part of my eyebrows. Like, I was there when it happened.
Well, you'll notice when you take the makeup off. But I didn't do too much. And, I mean,
I think it looks
freaking cute.
I think it looks really cute. It looks
Right?
it looks a lot like yours.
Yeah, I think you look adorable. Oh my gosh, you look like a little angel.
I look a lot like you.
So what would you call this? I still consider this to be like a goth eagle.
A what?
Like a goth.
I heard you say goth eagle. You said goth eagle.
Anyway, Jenny, I hope you enjoyed the makeover.
Alice, I loved it.
Okay, good. Y'all, I hope you
wonderful
enjoyed
job.
the video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye.
Bye.